we're off to Davao City and the pila is so taas. Look at that. Pila ng tao, hindi pila ng sasakyan. Yes, there's also this option if you're going to Davao City, like from the barge, meron ditong sa side for the passengers. Okay, magbabayad ka lang ng 20 dyan. Bye-bye, Jenny! Bye-bye! So, punta na tayo sa waiting area. Let's skip to the good part. Nyang! Mark, strong!
Okay, strong enough naman to handle,
to handle our things. If passenger ka, kailangan mo umakyat sa second floor para mas safer. Say hi! We're here! We're getting ready to go to the X-ray machine. Bye-bye! Oh my gosh, someone is eating macaroni. While we are waiting for our... I'm gonna show you how to eat macaroni. Charot. Okay, we're now moving. Let's go. Si Bijin, nawala si Bijin. Girls, water your smile. So, na yung mga shops there, guys. Mga pasalubong station. Before we go. Oh my God! Congratulations! So, this is the last X-ray checking. So, kanatanan tubig, bawal na. Last na, bago mo makasakay dyan of real yun, sa plane. So, all cell phones and everything sa bag. Goodbye! Charge mo. There is charging station. Oh, to the lounges. Ulit ako.
May we have the attention of all passengers of Philippine Airlines and please preparation for boarding. May request all passengers to check their roll numbers. Please set up.
What can you say that you're boarding now? How about you? Sila? That is the plane. Picture them all. Come on, come on. So guys, we're already going to the plane. Ayan na sila. Excited yun. 25 minutes. Guys, we're going to one of the pasalubongs here in Cebu, which is yung ang pinakalami o pinangita nga chicharon sa Karkar. We're actually already here in Karkar. So, this is matmats nga chicharon. Ngayon. Look at this.
Pagpugin kang luto, active.
Oh, naiunod. Ano yung lamin unta sa Batchoy Palabok daw?
Everywhere. Ano lang, pamelo. Kay ang durian, ipalit kagapon, nailan ko, way lami.
Pinamasan season ng durian.
Na way lami to.
Puro chicharon ka na.
Kuha na to kabuok.
Opa. Napami sa balay ni Batalyon Villegas. Leon Kilap. Diya kita.
What is this?
Ayaw mo na ito kung bacon shrimp. So we are here at the basement kung saan mag-meet up yung aking kapatid. Kanina pa kami naghanap sa rider. So may i-order then through Maxim Delivery pero hanggang ngayon wala pa. So I don't know if magkikita pa ba sila. The instructions are complete naman and then yun yung sinasabi namin na hindi kasi kami taga Cebu kaya ambot lang kung taga-asa na siya. Okay, so in the end, nagyaw-yaw ng rider, nagyaw-yaw ng proinsoon. Ano siya? Ganda na yung wala pag siya kayo na. Ano siya, oh? Kato, oh? Asa? Kato siya nga kuya. O ganipod nga kuya. Ay, dili mo, oh? Kato nga kuya, oh. Nagdalag plastic ka sa lupin. At last, nagkita na sila. Ayun na po. And then, near Cebu Ocean Park. Ice rider number 2. So, pumunta kami sa the other side ng entrance. Pero, doon pala pa rin. Kung saan. Wala gyapon? So guys, this, I'll be showing you. Yun yung bagong bridge na ng Cebu. It's they call it CC Lex. Ay, bakit? Wait lang. I'll show it to you. So this is SMC side and this will be your view. Ay, namin ko niya yung bagong bridge. That is the 4th bridge, which is the CC Lex. Hi guys, we'll be having dinner. Dili mo kay per picture. Here on the other side of the parang restaurant. So nung kami galing, we just ate our dinner and then parang high-end dito ng mga restaurants. We'll show you. Wait. It's like lots. There's Ricos Lechon. And fishes here. There's playground for the kids. And then parang, I'm not sure if you can swim here. I think it's just maliit na ano. So pretty eh. Grabe. You want gelato, G?
Oh shit.
Ew, me. S'mores?
S'mores, o ka ng ano, mocha java chip.
I want one. One of the most yummy na gelato ever. My gosh. Guys, we ordered 3 scoops. Isang s'mores, isang mocha java chip, and ultimate brownie. Yeah, it's so yummy, my god. Ito daw siya. Wala si Naiver. My Naiver. Kuri si Naiver. Belgian Malino. I'm going to share to you our room tour. So this is 1427. Let's go inside. Pasok mo, you have to put the card. Wait lang. Ito naman, eh. So one thing is very important is you need to know your exits. Here's the comfort room. Ayan siya. Okay. So, pagkapasok mo, ito na agad yung makikita. So, here's like a twin room. 2 beds. And then, yan siya. Very small. Like, as far as I read, 16 square meters lang siya. There's the TV. May 2 waters provided. So, yeah, you can hang your clothes there. And then, ano lang. Okay, this is my view on my side. So, yun siya. There's buildings there. Hi! So, I'm gonna show you naman the CR. So, pagkapasok mo, we'll have this on. I think it's on. So, yeah, it's on. So, this is the comfort room. Actually, super clean ng room nila. One thing I love is because meron silang bidet. And then here naman is the shampoo and soap. Okay, so yan lang. Very simple and very good. Hello everybody, this is day 2 of our Cebu trip. Hello vlog, welcome to the guys. We're off to eat breakfast. Oh, my bello pa. See, I told you, lanyard. We're having breakfast at this very famous Part Ebel Tinola. Napay sinugba din. So we already chose our babo. Tapos guys, yung kanilang kanon, which is the rice, and then tinola nila is self-service. Kalain mo yun. Oh my gosh. Look at that. The mata. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. We are here at El Fuerte de San Pedro or Fort San Pedro. We are off to Magellan's Cross. Let's just cross here. Leader.
Hi guys!
What? Dito. Where are they? Oh, nasa sila. Dito picture. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Hi guys!
So we're here at Magellan's Cross. Ayan.
Sinabi na sila mga pamilya, takam sila nila. Before kay natin family malasal sa mga santa sa kanan. Bakit sila sa kanan sa mga santo? Thank you, sir.
Butang lang siya. Is the entrance. Asa rin pa? Sa church. Kato Santo Niño Church. So we're going to Santo Niño Church. Let's go now. Let's go. So this is the oldest church in the Philippines. Nice. We are here at Heritage of Cebu. So mo na rin more summary sa history sa Cebu. So, Battle of Mactan daw. Si Magellan and Legazpi. Sige na, dali na, picture na. Sige. Isa kay. Huy! Here at SNR right now, kay nami ingredients sa skin na dili available sa Davao. So, we're trying if naa siya. Fortunately, naa siya. So, makabuhat na yung Choco Moist cake. Thank you, God! At Taoist Temple. Tada! Dragon. So we are here at Taoist Temple. Ito na yung parang center niya. Si Mellow.
Mellow. Melody, note. Yes, ma'am, saging, ma'am. Thank you.
Siraw. Sila. Siaw lang ka, siaw. Merong huli. Gan. What's up, Orban eh?
Hindi, dito ma'am, pink na flower.
Dahil na.
Tara, pizza top.
Tinood na tinood. Ay, dili na tinood?
Tinood na, tinood.
Ano ba?
It's a real flower.
Ma,
Do not touch.
do not touch. Mura kag
It's
lulapid.
a real thing.
Lulapida ba?
Guys, madami masyado flowers. We have this one at Iskina. So nice. Wait, I'll show you my favorite part sa anyo. There's also cactus na may flowers here.
So guys, kami dire ron guys. Mundra po to pa picture sa buhay.
Mura taga sa salag sa ano. Asa? Okay. Kawa ni sunflower. Ang atong mantika. Girls, let's go kay may hood akong tiil. Ha? Pag-ana, Julie.
Balik ka hotel?
Uy, parang uli naman ka nga. Usaway, bataan eh.
Destination Karen Earth.
The flowers. Siri? Here at Lakeview Cafe and Restaurant.
Ano ba dire?
Mag-eat. Ang so kawiwion. Mother, maka-fourth room ta. Okay, wow. Hi, good afternoon. 11. Ha?
Pwede ka sa long table, ma'am.
Sige. Long table daw, man. 11. Ay, dili, 13. Di ay. Dili na lang ta. Dili ba self-service ang water? Black menu. Keng, dapat inani mong blackboard, Keng. Ana, pagkasulat, Keng. Uy, Ma'am R. Nuovo Simonelli ang machine. Kalain mo yun, Nuovo Simonelli. Hi! Pumunta sa steak eh. Steak. I love the Nuovo Simonelli. Sikat yun ang Nuovo Simonelli. Pangkuhan mo siya, ma. Mura siya, and then pang-commercial siya. Ay, Torani yarn.
Gusto na lang mo dito. Sige.
Ay, pang-Easter egg. Oh. Uy, ba't nadag mo, Mr.
Here we go.
Nice, in-anin mo.
Why do I try? Why do I try?
The rice terrace. Yeah, nice try. Awang ni Kuranan. Papuno.
Why do I try? Why do I try?
Ay, panaway sa look, tinana, ano?
Why do I try?
Nice, so eh.
Why do I try? Why do I try?
Di pa tanong.
Bye, vlog.
Jen, tabang yan.
Why do I try?
Jen.
Why do
Nasa ko, Jen.
Tama.
Ikaw sa
Vlog. Hi, vlog. Ano dali ka?
Look at the view, guys. Mom, hey, hi to my vlog.
Aw.
Ay, Ana.
Sa man?
Ano ba?
Ayan na, day. Sorry. Whoop.
Ano? Drone ba?
Matagak kita sa kunan.
Why do I try?
Hi, Jin. Gi-zoom ba lang to? Look at the view, guys. I'm now.
Ay, mahulog ako sa tuli. Nabi.
Why do I try?
So this is the view of Charlie's Cub. Sige gyud. Mahulog gani mo puliton jud mo dito.
Why do I try?
Gabok gani dali na. Dito diri kay. Ngurog na ta. Ay! Hello! Hello!
Gitimanan yung naong.
Udigin mo lihok. 160 ang kilo. Ang pag per kilo, uy. 160 per kilo.
Kaya sa Davao. 35 na lang. Dili na nagikuha. Parang kay Tagunan.
Taga Davao, nangaon og durian.
Dapo lagi ni variety sir. Ha? Dapo.
Uyat.
Amerikano tagiya ni bro.
Kami platay sa dire.
Nay ube mo, oh. This is ube.
Gami puyat ini.
Asa mo hinog na?
Ganda, rosa. Iceberg.
Kani. Pati ka man tapos sa
Welcome to Temple of Leia. The last time we went here, dili pa siya nani ka complete, like ongoing constructions pa. But now, very nice. I'll show you. So beautiful. So guys, did you know the story of this? Ang lola ni Ellen Adarna. The story of this one is just like Taj Mahal. Ang husband is walay kasudlan sa ilang money. Yeah. Ang Temple of Leia is gidedicate niya nga temple, gibuhat nga temple for the wife. Yan siya.
That's a joke.
Wait, that's not a joke, that's the truth. Here's the restaurant. Huh? Dining. Oh, there's the kid. I don't know. Sure. Oh, February. Look at that. So we're going inside the temple now.
Mama, nag-ipabot na temple?
Yeah. Kani mismo.
Nagala ba ka na?
The stairs. But basig si Leia na. Or si Aphrodite. Ah, siya diyan ano. The trumpets. Full heart, give thanks to the Holy One. Give It's day 3 today, guys, and all we can see here in the market kay puro pang binignit. Where's BG?
Because today is Benignit Day.
Today is Binignit Day. We'll show you. Dugko kayo kay Ay, nakapalit naman si Ma'am si.
Binigtit ba?
Dito sa eskina?
Uy, Ma!
Bro, magkana ng reality ay ano yung show ba?
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa isang
Cooking show.
na-nice magiging ang ano lights.
Hangin ba dyan?
Anthony Bourdain magluto Dublin dan.
Ayaw, face. Ako na si Burak. Ayaw, ibabad ang kuan na. Okay na na, Buraking. Ipatulo ang ano. Bringing rice. O saan eh? What do you call this? Aninikad. O saan eh, Ma?
Aninikad and dagapanikad. At Momar and Mom Jean.
Ipakita ang inyong ano ka na.
And what was the big fish? Hello guys. Kasi tawagan ng isda, ma'am.
Kasi ito ka na? Bayang.
Bayang, the bayang fish.
Tabuni. Okay, i-ano. Ma'am, kasi isog ba ninyo diha, ma'am? Ha, ma'am? Bayang bukid.
Medyo na kayo siya, no?
Asa daw?
Ayaway. Hindi naman kaya.
Manghulam na dagsit big.
Pero gwapo na kayo namin. For experience.
Yay! This is the octopus. Ay, kasi squid, guys. Okay. Ano na?
Gala na, nangatanggal na.
Ha? Yan, pilit na no.
Pilit ang kuan.
Go!
Check mic 1.
Meron pa.
Hello.
Yan.
Our, ibaliktad gang. I-pork yang, unsay bayang? The pata, the big pata is red. Champagne.
Panggol. Ano ko sa kaya sa tulay? Katong cross? Yeah. Lagi ko mag-massage. Karon mo dira tag kuan.
Para maglulig yung doon. Sa iskita.
Taga eskina na abot.
Wala may orange.
Dagan na, club? Dagan
May
na,
orange
dagan
na
na.
lang guys. So, kanina lang.
Atong tagaan sila. Ato silang apila.
Are on the hunt to buy some ice cream for our turon. Pagong. New jet skis. Same lang man na atong katong last time. Kani no, murag nagbay sa additional no. Ug duha, mo man atong gi-braking. Dali na, Mark. Asa na? Of the ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. Ice cream challenge. Balik ko taguan ng other flavors. Or sort of Zipton 7-Eleven at last. Oh, ano flavor? This one. Unsa pa, Mark? We bought the things we need as well as the ice cream. Umba na mo diri.
Oh, balhin na mo dali, balhin na mo. Yeah.
We're going to transfer.
Yan dyan.
Okay, how was the banana boat?
Very exciting.
Very. Kamusta mo tubig?
Parat yapon, sama yapon.
So we're going to the parasail. Oh, smile na. 1, 2, 3.
Kuha, ma'am, kami ba? Sige na.
Ambot, depende kay la kuya. Di iya.
Ya, pwede pa hinahinirag pataas.
Ala ka lisod pong inilisod ka kana.
Ayaw mo tanaw sa tubig, maintain. Tanawan yung view para malingaw mo kay kung sino tanaw
Oh, good. Uy, light skin na color kayo ang parachute. Clear. Ha? Ang ilan pa na kaya landing ni mo tubig man. May atag ka na kuhan. Building. Wala may iyo na. Oh. Lolo. Ops. Dali ito ang hangin. Sukay hangin. Okay na. Ready? I'll take picture.
Panawag lang mukha mo!
Kaya magulit sa ano?
Oh, picture, Usa! Picture! How was your experience, girl? Come on. Kobe. Okay na. Ay, pagtigil mo kay Kuya, oh. Alangan kaya suka man kita puno di kay kana na mo dayamutan na pero lami kaya ko ah. Sa day mo.
Gently.
Dalawa daw ko. Hindi na magkapanakutan lisod sa ubos. Na try daw. Jalat.
Kita lah kalau gondol. No, kamu
presentation. Give it try you.
Holy, ministro.
Yeah, that's the sad part.
Layo daw.
Wala na, kailangan na mo na may bubbles yarn. Wait. Saan pag get rid sa bubbles?
Top.